Hi, kindergarten friends. It's me, Mr. Campbell. Do you know where we are today? Take a look around. That's right, we are in my kitchen. And I would like you to help me make a snack today. I'm feeling hungry. How about you? Today we are going to make a delicious, colorful fruit salad using a whole bunch of different kinds of fruit that I love to eat. What's your favorite kind of fruit? That sounds really good to me. So let's get started. We're going to work together to make a delicious and colorful fruit salad. We're also going to read about the fruit that we're putting in the bowl. And to do that reading, you need to activate your snap word power. You need to know how to read this word. Look. You need to know this word. At. And finally, you need to know the word the. So activate your pointer power and help me read about all of the delicious fruit. So first of all, I bet you know what this is. This is one of my favorite kinds of fruit. That's right, that is an apple. Oh, I love apples so much. Look at the red apple. First, let's add those red apples. Those are going to be so crunchy and good. And I know lots of you out there enjoy these. That's right, this is a banana or a telephone. Look at the yellow banana. Next, we'll add the bananas. How about these little fellows? That's right, these are called grapes. I love green grapes. Look at the green grapes. Then those crunchy green grapes. Here's another kind of fruit that I really love. It is watermelon. That's so juicy and delicious. Look at the red watermelon. Next up is the red juicy watermelon. That's looking good. I don't know if you're gonna know what this is. Take a look. Do you know what that is? That is a piece of pineapple. That's a ring of pineapple. Have any of you ever tried pineapple? Also very delicious. Look at the yellow pineapple. Okay, and let's add the pineapple. Here's something else that I like every kind of fruit. These are strawberries. We're not going to eat that green part though. That wouldn't be very tasty, but the red part is delicious. Look at the red strawberries. And don't forget those fresh strawberries. Oh, this looks so good already. Do you know what this is for? That's right, this is a spoon and we're going to use it to stir up our fruit salad and mix up all those pieces of fruit. Wow, look at how colorful that is. That looks really delicious. Activate your pointer power and let's read about the colorful fruit salad. Here we go. Look at the colorful fruit salad. Hey, there's an exclamation mark. Let's reread it and make it sound more exciting. This is pretty exciting. We have a delicious fruit salad to eat. Here we go. Look at the colorful fruit salad. This fruit salad looks amazing. I can't wait to dig into it. Thanks for helping me make it today. You know, you can read and write around your house just like we did today in my kitchen. And who knows what delicious and creative things you will make. I'll see you next time. So good.